you also mentioned earlier kay Chairman Dan, and I think to other congressmen, that marami na po kayong police na pinatay. And I would assume that this is in reference to certain malicious or yung mga ninja cops. Would you have a number kung ilan po ito? Without hyperbole, Mr. President, ilan po ang police ang pinatay po ninyo?
Hindi ako lang. Hindi lang ako. Yung police, in a raid, something like that. Shootout.
In a raid, in a shootout.
Hindi yung sabihin mo na confrontation personal na one-on-one.
Mr. President, what was your participation in the raid or shootout? As a mayor, you were there for the police operation?
Yes.
And this is a one-time thing po ba, Mr. President? Or it has happened multiple times?
What?
Maraming beses na po ba ito nangyari?
Hindi.
So it was only one raid in which maraming police ang pinatay? Would you have a date in mind, or is there a name for this incident that there would be, that you could recall, Mr. President?
About what?
About that raid in which marami po kayong pinatay na police?
Hindi police ang pinatay ko. May ano tayo dito. Tayo nakaiintindihan.
Miscommunication. Okay, Mr. President. Well, I'll just proceed in another question.
Hindi ako nagpapatay ng pulis ko.
Okay.
I would never do that. Well, sa bagay, may mga pulis na into kidnapping.
Perhaps yun po yun, Mr. President, because I remember the context of the conversation was mga police na scallywag or yung mga ninja cops, and you mentioned that you would not tolerate the same.
Yes.
So in which case, Mr. President, how many of those have you killed? I would assume the 3 to 4 that you mentioned earlier in your vigilante nights were just regular criminals, and iba naman po ang iyong tally for mga police na mga scallywag.
Matanong man ninyo sa Davao, mga 2 or 3.
2 or 3.
Involved in kidnapping.
Kidnapping po ito. And these did
paghawak ng pera.
Okay. Mr. President.
Lalo na paghawak ng pera patapos i-rape pa yung mga babae. Talagang wala ka ng pag-asa. Huwag na tayong magsabi extra judicial. O pagkatapos ka magnakaw, hawak mo ang pera, i-rape mo tab mga babae. Pag nandyan ako sa huwag na natin pag-usapan yung extra judicial killing. Patayan talaga yan.
So, Mr. President, the story that you're saying now, yung mga police sa scallywag na 2 or 3, this was one incident, yung kidnapping. This is the same incident that you relayed earlier, yung mga nag-kidnap dinala sa Cotabato, tapos binalik po, kumain po sa bahay ng mga babae. Is that the same story, Mr. President?
No, that's not one.
Oh, it's a different story.
There was no police involved.
No police involved. So that's a separate
if they were
incident.
policemen, and then they never tried to...
So, Mr. President, I will ask again. Itong case po nung kidnap and extortion, yung 2 to 3 policemen that you've killed, were any cases filed?
Ano po?
Were any cases filed po dung 2 to 3 policemen ang pinatay po ninyo involved with kidnapping and extortion?
Yung police na pinatay ko?
Yes.
Involved in kidnapping?
Yes.
Wala ng kaso yan.
No more case. And
Against whom?
Against you po for having killed the policeman.
Ako?
Yes, Mr. President.
Bakit magupala ng kaso? May kasama akong pulis rin dyan. Hindi naman ako nagpapahiro. I'm not trying to picture myself as a crusader na... Of course, makasama ko yung mga pulis.
Sorry, Mr. President, perhaps mali po yung terminology. Not filing of the case in court, pero any case po yung for investigation.
Marami.
By the DOJ. Also meron po.
Marami.
So, going back po, just to clarify, yung vigilante killings of 3 to 4 persons, likewise, meron rin pong investigation po with the DOJ. Okay, Mr. Chair. That clarifies it po.
Automatic yan.
So, filing the investigation meron.
It's the police, but it's the fiscal who will decide.
Yes.
Ang critical stage na is the fiscal.
Yes.
Whether or not there is a crime committed, or if the if there is a crime or an act committed, whether it is legal or illegal.
Thank you for the clarification, Mr.
If it's
President.
illegal, wala yan.
So earlier, yung binanggit po natin na 3 to 4 persons and then 2 to 3 persons of police, what I meant was fiscal po na investigation, not cases filed in court. At meron naman po. Likewise, Mr. President, yung pinatay po ninyo yung kidnapping incident, yung sa Cotabato, tapos bumalik, kumain sa bahay, paglabas, you confronted them, tapos pinatay po ninyo. Likewise, there was a investigation by the fiscal.
Yes.
Yes, and the case was dismissed.
Alam ko, pag pinara sila ng pulis, yung laod, the owner of that laod thing, it was the laod, yung pulis yan, the owner of laod firing range. Yun ang pumapasok sa gitna, pinara sila. Tapos paglabas nila, may carbine na, nandito ako sa tabi.
Mr. President, was that SPO for Jim Tan? Is that SPO for Jim Tan, yung may-ari ng Laod Firing Range?
Ang may-ari ng laod doon is Laod.
Sorry, ano po yung full name po niya, Mr. President, if you would recall?
Ano? Hindi ko.
So it was just Laod?
Laod.
Laod.
You can you can easily get it by just phone.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, moving on with the next question po, no? Just to follow up on the question by Congressman Manuel. In relation to the vetting of the drug matrix, you mentioned po earlier that in the initial drug matrix that you came out, there was no vetting involved. You said it was job of the police, yet there was a drug matrix that came from your office. Is that correct, Mr. President? If I am not mistaken, during the course of our investigation, there are allegedly 4 versions of your drug matrix.
Hindi ko na makuha yung tanong mo.
Mr. President, I will rephrase. In the interpellation of Congressman Manuel, there was a talk about the drug matrix or yung narco list po ninyo. And you mentioned that it is the job of the police to vet. You do not vet. However, your office came out with its own drug matrix. So if it did not pass through the police, this underwent no vetting process. Is that a fair statement, Mr. President?
Vetting is a job of the law enforcement. It is shared by everybody. NBI, ipapasa yan. It's not only a requirement, it's their duty. Nagpapasahan kami ng information.
But Mr. President, yes, you mentioned that it would be the job of the PNP. So you mentioned now that it is coordinated with you. The PNP would coordinate that information with you.
Yes,
For the
as
reason.
mayor. Correct.
Mr. President, we're talking about the drug matrix that you released as president, not as mayor. The one that you released upon assumption of your office in 2016.
Yes. What?
So this was vetted by the PNP. Was PIDEA involved, Mr. President?
I'm confused now. What's the question?
Mr. President, I'll rephrase. Particularly during your presidency, hindi na po nung panahon na kayo ay mayor. When you sat as president, you came out with the drug matrix. Now, I believe part of the interpellation of Congressman Manuel was that there was a question kung vetted po ito. Ang sabi po ninyo, hindi vetted. But now you're saying vetted naman po siya by the police, not by you. So you confirm po that, Mr. President?
Lahat ng listahan na dumadating sa akin, clear, binabasa ng babayan, ng military, ng police.
And Mr. President, the PIDEA was involved in this initial list.
Of pagka-drugs, PDEA talaga dapat.
I believe the drug matrix was used for the identification of yung mga HVT po ninyo, yung high-value targets. So it is involved with drugs. So PIDEA should have been involved.
Yes, it's always the PDEA who would be the agency to give us the information